Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Binance referral code after registration. Referral codes are fantastic for unlocking various benefits, like reduced trading fees, often around 10%. While the easiest way is to enter it during your initial sign-up, sometimes you might forget or not have one ready. Don't worry, there are still methods to ensure you don't miss out on these valuable perks. We will guide you through the simple steps. When you first create your Binance account, look for the Referral ID box on the registration form. This is the primary spot to enter your code. Simply type in the unique code you have, and the system should automatically recognize it. Always double-check that the code is correctly applied before you complete your registration. This ensures you immediately start enjoying any associated benefits, such as a 10% discount on trading fees from day one. If you've already registered and didn't use a code, don't despair. Some platforms, including Binance, may offer a limited window to add one. Head to your account dashboard and explore sections like Referral or Rewards. You might find an option to input a code there. If you're unsure or can't locate it, reaching out to Binance's customer support is always a good idea. They can often assist you in applying the code manually. Using a referral code offers significant advantages. The most common benefit is a reduction in your trading fees, often a generous 10%. This can save you a considerable amount over time, especially with frequent trading. Additionally, referral programs sometimes unlock access to exclusive promotions, bonuses, or even unique features. It's a win-win situation, as both the person who referred you and you, the new user, receive valuable rewards for joining the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.